Furniture, wooden, simple sofa.
Good day to all people watching this video. We are going to design a simple basic sofa furniture made from wood. Just get your tools to the tools section and get the rectangle form. Put rectangle on the floor and drag it with measure around 0.7 by 1.6 meters. And before that, you should use the plate format using meters before you start. Offset the object using offset tools with clearance distance 0.5, then enter. We doing the legs. Just take another rectangle and follow the corner, click and enter, the pull up the space around 20, make group then control, and move tools to copy, enter, click the control then move to another side.
Always group your object once you assemble each part.
Reverse the object and use the move tools to turn and to make reverse your work. We doing the back rest of the furniture, the procedure, just get the rectangle tools, just put around the base corner of the back seat, use control, drag lift or pull the object around 60 meters then offset 2.05. To incline the back rest, just use move tools and make approximate incline the vertical object. Try to put the plywood under the foam or cushion, use also a frame support under the plywood. So now we can do the cushion for the sofa. Get another triangle from tools unit, then inlay to the top of the seat platform. Drag it and pull up. Use the arch tools and point to the corner from top and bottom. Then drag it with 0.5 away from vertical line. Then enter. About the edging, use follow me tools. Choose touch using your mouse arrow to the 4 lines edge. To get the arrow tools, point to the arch object, then enter. Congratulations, you have a default sofa. Now you can copy that unit for default, and to make another single sofa, try to ungroup the other object you duplicate and reduce the measurement for small single sofa.
Tips. I make a double click to instant edit the object I want to change, and to make other objects won't be affected while editing your other particular unit to change.
Now we are going to do the side table furniture. Just practice your rectangle tools, move, scale, groupings, and double click for editing the objects that you want to edit. Go to Paint Bucket Paint to change the default color to become a glass form. Texture finishing, go to the Tools Paint bucket, make double click for editing you want to paint and change the texture.
Tips: I make a double click to instant edit the object I want to change, and to make other objects won't be affected while editing your other particular unit to change.
Many optional colors in the Paint Bucket tools. Now we almost done the complete solid set. I also included the V-Ray finish. I did not show the V-Ray video because a long time to wait for buffering. Just click the pot icons if you have a V-Ray included to your software.
This is the result for this video with V-Ray application. You can change the finishing using Paint Bucket Colors tools. You can also edit if you want big or small lines. Just click the chain sign to reduce the sizes, grain lines of the texture, and also you can polish the color using Asset Editor near to the render icon.
This is the unfinished and no V-Ray.
I also have sample finish and design using V-Ray application. For interior design, I encourage you to expand your imagination and perseverance to do the design. Persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success until you finish your goal. Most of the fixture and furniture came from 3D Warehouse website, and most of the object furnitures are almost available in 3D Warehouse.
Thanks for watching and sharing my tutorial video.